MDJ House by MSSM Associates plus RSI Group in KECAMATAN KEBAYORAN Baru, Indonesia. The MDJ House is the architect's approach to designing an original type of modern tropical architecture, designed for a young couple looking for a unique and visually stunning home. This three-floor compact house seamlessly blends wood and concrete to create a warm and inviting atmosphere while maintaining a sleek and contemporary design. The exterior of the house features a unique combination of wood and concrete, which creates a striking visual contrast that sets it apart from traditional tropical designs. The wood accents bring a sense of warmth and grounding to the structure, while the concrete walls provide a modern and sophisticated feel. This interplay of materials creates a sense of balance and visual interest that is calming and captivating. The first floor of the house is dedicated to practicality and functionality, featuring a home office area, a guest room, and a garage. The home office area is the perfect space for working from home, with plenty of natural light, a comfortable desk, and ample storage. The guest room is a cozy and welcoming space, perfect for visitors. The garage provides ample space for parking and storage. The second floor is dedicated to the main living areas, with a spacious living room, dining room, and kitchen. The living room is designed for relaxation, with comfortable seating, a sleek fireplace, and large windows that flood the space with natural light. The dining room is perfect for entertaining, with a large table and plenty of space for guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with top-of-the-line appliances, ample counter space, and a modern design that is both functional and beautiful. The third floor is dedicated to the main bedroom, a true oasis of peace and relaxation. The spacious room features large windows that allow for natural light and provide stunning views, making it the perfect place to relax and recharge. The luxurious bathroom, with its separate shower, provides the ultimate in relaxation and rejuvenation. This modern tropical house is not just beautiful, it is also incredibly energy efficient, with features such as high-efficiency HVAC systems that minimize energy usage and reduce the impact on the environment. It also featured. In conclusion, the MDJ House focused on its originality. Its unique blend of wood and concrete and its focus on functionality, space optimization, and energy efficiency make it a truly impressive and professional example of architectural design. This house is a testament to the creative collaboration between the architect and the client and is sure to be a source of pride for its owners for years to come.